So standard 11 gave information that a particle moves along the x-axis so that its velocity at time t is given by the equation here, negative t plus 1 times sine of t squared over 2. And so part A of this problem asked to find the acceleration of the particle at time t equals 2 first. And so the acceleration of a particle in terms of time t is the derivative in terms of t of the velocity. So I just took the derivative in terms of t of velocity, and using the product rule, solved that down to get acceleration of t is equal to negative sine of t squared over 2 plus negative t squared minus t times cosine of t squared over 2. And then I plugged in 2 to that and got 1.588 meters per second squared for the acceleration of the particle at 2 seconds, or t equals 2. And so the second part of the A was, is the speed of the particle increasing at t equals 2, why or why not? And so mathematically we know that a particle or anything is speeding up if its velocity and acceleration have the same sign. And so I solved for velocity at time t equals 2 with the original equation given and got the velocity equals negative 0.9093 meters per second. And velocity is negative, as you can see, and acceleration is positive, so they have opposite signs. And because they have opposite signs, the particle is therefore not speeding up.